everyone, this is Pam, and once again welcome to my channel Morning with Pam. It's been for a while now. I haven't uploaded any video because I was a bit occupied. So now everything is over, all my works are done. So today I'm going to prepare a mashed potato with green chili. I'm going to make one of my father's favorite chutney. Should I say chutney? Because I'll be using a mustard oil, raw one. So it's kind of like a pickle. It will give a pickle smell. So with that being said, let's start preparing. First, I'm going to peel the potato, and after that, we'll boil it. I have peeled the potato now. I'm going to use only two medium size of potatoes. The ingredients are very simple. And let's cut it into smaller pieces and we'll start boiling. Let's start heating the water. Let's put the potato in the hot water. And let it boil till it gets cooked. Let's check whether the potato is cooked or not. I've been boiling this for like 20 minutes. Oh, it's soft now. I think it's cooked. Okay, so I have drained the water and finely chopped green chili, and this is onion. I'm going to add 1 cloves of garlic as well. This is an optional. If you don't like the smell of garlic, you can skip it. In a bowl, add the garlic. Add some salt to taste, half scoop, and we'll crush the garlic first. Once it is properly crushed, let's add the potato and we'll mash it without adding any water. Okay, potato is mashed properly. Now I'm going to add little bit 1 spoon of mustard oil. Add the chopped garlic, onion, and also the green chili, and let's mix it together. Now we can mix with a spoon. Oh, it smells so good. If you have coriander, you can add some, but since I don't have coriander, I'll be having this with celery leaves. So I'm talking about this celery. Okay, so this is from my garden, from my flower pot. So I'm going to have this with this mashed potato. It suits really well. The combination is so good. So guys, my mashed potato is done. It's so good, smells so nice. It smells a bit like a pickle because of the mustard oil. And if you like to eat a bit spicy, you can add more chili, or while grinding garlic, you can add some half king chili so that it will be a bit spicy. For me, this will do. So I hope you guys enjoy watching my video. Always eat, enjoy, and stay healthy. See you soon. Bye.